All right, this week I created a edge model using a Kaggle dataset for cats versus dogs. So you only use a subset of the data, but you can see I have about 1,500 labeled images here. I then trained the model and got fairly decent results. You can see on both the training and the test sets. Then I had the option to choose how accurate I want my output model to be. So there's a trade-off here between the size of the actual model and the accuracy of the model. So I chose kind of the medium option so to hope that my web pages wouldn't load that slowed because I'm going to use Tensorflow.js, but still to try and make it fairly accurate. And then I found this tutorial out here that I can post the link to that kind of has a simple web app that allows you to load custom models into HTML. So the first thing I'll look at is static images. So I did 4 test images and an image of my dog. The first image here looks seems to be pretty confused about. Not totally sure why, but the other 3 images are fairly accurate in terms of being able to distinguish that's a cat, this is a dog, that's a dog, even though the dog is laying down. And then my dog Peanut also gets pretty accurate. The next demo I wanted to show is using my webcam. So it's the same model, and I'm gonna try to get to detect my dog Peanut, who's here. You can see, even though the image isn't great, it gets fairly decent results in terms of the overall probability that what it's looking at is a dog, and you can see it's kind of continuously evaluating using the model.